Don't miss the Shakopee Home Show returning to Canterbury Park on Saturday, October 26th. If you are planning any home improvement projects, don't do anything until you visited the Shakopee Home Show. We're bringing you up to 150 of the best local and national home pros right to your backyard. Meet the best professionals for remodeling, landscaping, windows and siding, kitchens and baths, decks, basements, garages, architects, painting, interior design, solar, custom shelving, financial services, chiropractic care, real estate, doors, and so much more. And best of all, many of these companies will be offering show-exclusive savings on their products and services so that you can save thousands on your home projects. That's right, when you visit the Shakopee Home Show, you can save thousands on your next project, whether that's inside your home or out. The Shakopee Home Show is completely free to attend, so there's no ticket needed. The doors will open at 10 a.m. and the show runs all day until 4 o'clock. When you attend the Shakopee Home Show, you get to talk to a variety of the city's best home improvement companies to find exactly the right professional for your specific job. Compare quotes from top-rated companies and vet them face-to-face in a casual, comfortable, no-pressure environment. And that's the true value of attending our home show. And with all the confusion regarding supply chain issues and product delays, you can talk to the experts face-to-face to learn how to get your project done in your time frame and for your budget. Attend and get all your questions answered. The Shakopee Home Show returns to Canterbury Park on Saturday, October 26th, and it's totally free to attend. When you visit, you'll have the opportunity to win a $500 Home Depot shopping spree and a new Yeti cooler. That's right, we're giving away $500 in a new Yeti cooler to 2 lucky winners, but you must attend to register. Plus, there's tons more to register for at the show, including gift cards, bonus savings, and thousands of dollars worth of prizes. Folks, it's going to be a party that you won't want to miss. Grab your goodie bags at the door, sponsored by Easy Home Solutions. Visit MinnesotaHomeshows.com to learn more. We'll see you at the Shakopee Home Show returning to Canterbury Park on Saturday, October 26th.